I am very excited about that. I'm not sure about my husband though. You remind your kids to behave well when we go shopping. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we are going to my favorite store, IKEA. I have been wanting to go to IKEA ever since our last visit, which was I think years back. It's quite far away from where we stay. Finally my lovely husband is allowing my wish to come true today. So I actually have a list of things with me that I'm looking for my new apartment, and yeah, so that's why we are going to IKEA. If you know IKEA, you know why I'm so excited about, and if you don't know, it's a very large store with everything. It can be quite intimidating as well if you go there without a list, so I do have that with me. So in this video I'm going to take you along with me and get a few stuffs. Also, one question that I get asked a lot is how do I shop with my kids? And IKEA being a very large store, it is a task, and also along with kids it's a bigger task. I'm going to share with you some of the tips that I follow to keep my kids happy while I shop, and I hope these tips will be useful for you as well. So I'm going to take you along with me, so stay tuned while we go to our favorite store. The first tip is to select a shopping time when the kids are done with their nap, and this way they are fresh and happy, and taking them out at this time is the best choice one can have. The second tip is to get them to wear comfortable clothing so that they don't get cranky, and many of the times they're just not in the right mood just because of the uncomfortable or tight clothes. So that is one thing to look for. Third tip would be to fuel these little ones right, and so for that let us prepare some energy bites. It's very easy to prepare and it's going to surely keep them happy and full of life. So for that I'm mixing some peanut butter, honey, milk powder and a little bit of lemon juice, and then after getting it into this consistency, adding in some granola, dry fruits like raisins and nuts, and make it into these balls. And then the kids like to munch on it after their glass of milk. Good job! Next tip would be to pack their favorite snacks, especially if you know that your shopping trip is going to last a little longer. I like to take apples because my kids like them, and also it's full of fiber and keeps them full and engaged for longer compared to less denser snacks. I'm also packing some baked crackers and applesauce. So everything is ready, not to forget water bottles and even ours too, along with our kids. There we are!
Adi, will you be good at IKEA?
Yeah.
Anjali? 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 Will you be good, Anjali?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, then we'll go. Come.
Okay, so the first step is to make sure that you remind your kids to behave well when we go shopping. Shoo. Okay, so the first step is to make sure that you remind your kids to behave well when you go shopping. So definitely letting kids know what is expected out of them at the store helps better if we prepare them about what we would be doing once we reach there. കീ ഇത് കീയൊക്കെ തൂക്കാൻ ടെയില്
ആദ്യം അഞ്ചരക്ക് ഏത് കളർ ഇഷ്ടമായ
ഇതാ ഇതോ.
ആൾക്കാർ ഇഷ്ടമായി.
Kids love to be involved, and so if we let them feel their opinions matter, they tend to be much well behaved, which makes our job easier too.
അവസാനത്തും ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. അല്ല കുറച്ച് അവസാനം പറയണം.
I've been to the top of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best. Lot of good it did for me. I've walked the wall of China, walked till my feet were sore. Came home to Carolina and found my love next door. Well, what do you know? What do you know? I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? What do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl.
Oh, so nicely everything is arranged, and even in such a small space it still looks so perfect. Very, very beautiful.
What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me.
I'm enjoying just being here, and I guess he's enjoying the office chairs there. He looks happy there. This is what I came here for. Yay! Exams. Aisle 22, bin 20. I'll just take a picture and keep so that we can find it in the storage place. My next step is to take some time to play with them, and that is definitely if the time permits, but it is surely fun to do. ബേബി കിടന്ന് ഉറങ്ങണേ. മാമി കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് അമ്മയ്ക്കൊരു എവിടെ കേർട്ടൻസ് ഇരിക്കണമെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചതാ. അഞ്ജലി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അമ്മ ഇത് തരാം. ഞാൻ ഓറഞ്ച് തരാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് കേർട്ടൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം നമുക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, കേർട്ടൻ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് തരുമോ? My next step is about the time when at the end they tend to lose their patience, and I am saving their most favorite treat, an M&M, once we purchase our final item. Bin 20. Bin 20. Make sure to stop in the restroom. Next step is definitely to use the restroom and freshen them up so that they can say that they had a happy shopping day today. So we are back now, and this is a little haul from what we got from IKEA. Here we got this little step stool. These grips were really good, and I thought it would be good for the kids to have while they brush. They are using a little stool, but I guess this would be easier for them to use. And then here we got some glasses, and the design looked very pretty, and so we got that. And then here what do we call it, a pot holder for, you know, hot pots and pans. And then here I have these cubes for the cube shelf that we have. So I got 2 of them. These looked very sturdy. I like these cubes that keeps, you know, things intact and which doesn't lose its structure when we keep the things in. So it's not that flimsy sort of material. So I got these 2 and one more in the blue color. So there is that. And here I have this glass jar, and here is a shower curtain, and here is another white curtain that I wanted to have. It's really cheap in IKEA, so we got that. And then this one is a bedside table. So we got 2 of that, and it's white in color, so I've not yet opened it. We'll go to the new house and open it. But yeah, that's all that we got, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can see how we arrange all of that in our new apartment. So I'll see you all later. Take care and bye.